How we doing today, YouTube? It's Josh. We're doing our first unboxing today. This is the Dewalt 12.5-inch portable thickness planer from the Great Big Box Store, Home Depot. I wasn't really a huge fan of the warranty. They only have 1 year full service warranty, and then they have a 3-year limited warranty, which happens to be if you break it by any fault other than its mechanical own thing, if you drop it or whatever, you still got to pay to have it fixed. They'll tell you up ahead when you bring it to the service center how much it's going to be, but you're still going to have to pay. I don't think that's a hell of a warranty. So we're going to try it. I got 90 days to use it and abuse it. Because I squawked so much about the warranty, they were nice enough to kick in a table saw stand that doesn't fit it, but I'm gonna engineer something to make it fit. To go ahead with the other tools, we got the table saw, the Ryobi table saw with the portable stand, and then we have the chop saw, 12-inch compound miter saw with stand over here, and we have our router table. So let's get to the unboxing. Of course, they gotta put staples in there. That'll ruin a knife every single time. Let's go ahead and shut this so I don't put myself in the emergency room.
I don't know how I ended up as cameraman.
Woohoo! Static. Every real man's best friend. Too bad we never use them.
That thing looks kind of weird. Get out.
Alright, I'm going to pull it down. Just slide it out. You can pick the box off to the side. Sorry for the camera bouncing around. Yeah, junior cameraman over here.
Kind of knew that still.
Okay, so it says direction of feed right here. Oh yeah, that's a nice sturdy table. 30 in-feed and out-feed tables.
What's that?
What's that? What?
That.
That's a good question. This looks like the knob to control the height of cut.
Oh.
I'm assuming it goes right here.
Well, we'll find out.
You could always consult the instructions, but who does that? We'll just put stuff where we think it goes and see if it fits. Look, there's a screw. And of course it's a hex key. And they didn't provide an Allen wrench unless it's in the box.
Oh, what's this? Something's obviously in there.
Something inside. Perspective, Obi-Wan, perspective. Always look for the perspective. Ooh. Oh, that looks like a nice exhaust suction kit. Oh yeah, look at that. I can hook it right up to my shop vac. And being the fact that this is a 3-blade planer, I still might in the future change this over to a helical blade because it's going to put a lot less stress on the motor and it's going to make a lot cleaner cuts with less chatter. Alright, I like having that as a great feature. I was wondering if I was going to have to be... Oh yeah, look at that. They oiled that up sprightly.
Nice look at it.
Okay, now we still need to put this hex head bolt in. Why don't you pause the video and run up and grab a set of Allen wrenches out of the open toolbox at the top of the
Or you can
stairwell.
keep recording.
I could keep recording. Okay. So, it's not too shabby. It's got these little pull-out handles. Let's see what we got here. These are metric. These are metric. These are standard.
Don't you think you should introduce the guy doing the cameras?
The guy doing the cameras is
And nobody.
he's my son Nathan. He is a YouTuber himself. He makes some decent content.
Even though I have 2 videos out.
Yeah, but they're decent. We're just getting into the software editing part, so that'll be a
Good part.
little bit.
Be putting out some sort of videos.
Okay, that's cool. And she'll go up to 6 inches and go all the way down. Well, you could really get tired if you had to get down to a 3/4 inch board.
Sorry,
I don't have to go to the Y today.
Sorry if this is kind of low quality.
That was a sporadic unboxing. We figured we'd get some content out here.
Yeah, we're still kind of new at this, so.
And she bottoms out. That'd be about 1.5 inches there. Now I'm not sure. I'll have to read the gauge mark. Oh, okay, so that's how much the thickness is. So when it goes in, that's when it puts pressure on, that's how much it's going to remove when it first goes through. Okay. I assume that the that's nice that it has a reset feature up here. Very nice. All right. Let's
Lay this back up a little bit. Oh, head over.
find the power cord here.
Okay, and
The only thing I'm not really a sporting fan is that it doesn't have any safety key. All my other tools have safety keys. I mean, the blades are in under here, so you don't really want to put your hands under and...
yeah, kind of why I don't know. Like they have a thing, warning thing.
People don't read warnings. That's why they put warnings on there.
So you plug that in, of course.
All right, let's give her a chooch and see if she spins.
I think that works.
She spins nicely. Let's crank it up.
Kind of see if we can find something.
Now, I think they said that this has 3 straight blades, but I'm hoping that they're kind of spiral blades, because that would be awesome if they were spiral blades.
Now, why would that be?
Because instead of risking tear out as you're planing through the wood with the straight blades chipping, if you're not planing exactly downhill on the grain, the spiral flute starts here and then comes down around. So if you have 3 and they kind of spiral around.
So basically it would kind of prevent damage or something like that.
No, I think they're all flat. Yeah, they're just about all flat. Yep. Yep. 3 flat blades.
I don't know if I got a good shot under there. Wish I had a rag down here to get some of this oil out. That oil will affect the thickness.
Look, it comes with some. It's already been used. They've already tested it. Comes with its own wood shavings. Go figure.
Man's glitter.
Man glitter, yes, man glitter. So we got a 12 and a half inch wide table. And now this over here, I believe, yeah, this over here allows you to step down in heights. Right here, so it'll go from from 3/4 to 1/2 inch to 1/4 to 0. So you can step this down in heights, which is nice. There's a stop block right inside of here that stops up on the top of the carriage.
So somewhere back there.
Yep. Double-edged knives, rotate or change as needed. Lift bar to disengage headlock prior to adjusting height. Okay, lift bar. Lift what bar?
This might be the bar. Under.
No.
Well, he's trying to figure that out.
Is this the bar right here? Depress bar to engage headlock. Prior. Okay, so this is the bar right here. So now it won't. This won't move the carriage anymore. So this has to be lifted up. Wow, that's. I feel that that's gonna break. This is only a piece of cast aluminum, and that bar smashes it hard. That may break.
So which means we're probably gonna have to replace that at some point.
At some point, I'm thinking that this is cast aluminum. That bang is gonna take it every time.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's kind of weak.
Yeah, it's like 1/8 inch cast aluminum. Not even 8, yeah, maybe 1/8 inch. All right. I would love to put some wood through it.
Do you have any?
I have some wood down by the chicken coop.
When I also want to go get it. You got some? See if this one works.
We could. Let's stop the video.
Actually, I'm gonna at least include me in it.
All right, this is Nathan.
Hi. I'm the guy.
You can check out his videos at Nathan Lilly.
Yeah, I think that's what my channel's called.
Yeah.
Try and put a link or something in when we try and upload it.
Okay.
So should we have a like goal on this video?
What's that?
Should we have a like goal? Like 10 likes, 5 likes?
As many likes as we can get, and hopefully we can make some wood chips pretty soon with this Dewalt planer.
Yeah.
The first thing on our list is making some cabinets for my hand tools for down here. This is a new wood shop I'm setting up, finally getting the tools out of my wife's hair, and finally got them down into the basement. We just had a big project building the chicken coop, so everything was upstairs and outside, and it made it easier going in and out. But now it's holiday time, and my wife is screaming to get the stuff out of her dining area. So,
Okay, so.
I will be right back.
Yep.
Thank you.
5 likes.